In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align content in Squarespace. If you've ever had a headline, image, or button that feels a little off, maybe hugging the top of a section or floating awkwardly in the middle, alignment is the quick fix that makes your layout look intentional and polished. We'll walk through the simple way to control how a block sits within its container so your design feels balanced on every page. Start with your page open in the Squarespace editor. With the page visible, hover over the area you want to adjust until you see the block outlines and labels appear. A block can be anything from text to an image, a form, or a button. Click the specific block you want to refine. This selects it and brings up its small inline toolbar so you can make changes with precision. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure you're actively editing the page and that you've clicked directly on the block's content. With the block selected, look for the align icon in the block toolbar. It typically looks like a stack or a set of lines that represent vertical placement. Click it and you'll see options for aligning the block to the top, center, or bottom of its container. Choose Align Top if you want the block to sit close to the upper edge. Great for keeping headlines tight and decisive. Pick Center to float the block in the middle. Perfect when you want equal breathing room above and below for a clean, balanced feel. Select Bottom to anchor the block lower in the section. Useful when matching the visual baseline of content in an adjacent column, or when you want elements to rest closer to a section's bottom edge. As you make your choice, watch the canvas update so you can judge spacing in real time. Alignment is especially helpful in multi-column layouts where blocks in one column are taller than those in another. Using center or bottom can create a cohesive line across the row. Keep in mind that some layouts or full-width elements may limit alignment options, and on mobile, blocks often stack vertically, so the effect can look different. Use the device previews to confirm it feels right on all screen sizes. A quick tip: combine alignment with thoughtful section padding to fine-tune the overall rhythm, rather than relying on extra spacer elements. And if you change your mind, it's easy to reselect the block and pick a different alignment until it looks just right. That's all it takes to align content confidently in Squarespace.